Are you new to content creation, but you feel overwhelmed by the amount of things that you need to do in order to make content? For example, coming up with ideas, creating your post, recording, editing, and writing your descriptions? So if that is the case, keep watching the video because I'm going to share with you 5 essential apps for beginner content creators. And best of all is that they're completely free and easy to use. Hi guys, my name is Akemi. I'm a part-time content creator, and on this channel we talk about content creation, creativity, and self-education. So without further ado, let's move on to today's topic. My first recommended app is Canva. Canva makes graphic design easy for everyone. It helps you create stunning posts for your social media. And it's full of customizable templates that you can edit and use on your favorite platforms. The free version is really complete and has tons of interesting tools, even an AI picture generator. I personally use it for creating my Instagram carousels, stories, and YouTube thumbnails. The second app is CapCut. CapCut helps you edit both long-form and short-form videos. It lets you play with lots of interesting features like voice effects, a background remover, and automatic captions. I use it for creating my long-form YouTube videos and then repurpose them into short-form content like Reels, TikToks, and Shorts. Another tab is called Grammarly, and Grammarly helps you improve your writing by correcting your mistakes. And the free version also has a tone detector that helps you use the right tone of voice for any occasion. This app is both useful for native and non-native speakers. Number 4 is Asana. Asana keeps your content ideas organized in one place. It lets you create multiple boards in which you can organize your content ideas. For example, you can create a YouTube board, an Instagram board, a TikTok board, and keep your ideas organized and classified. I use Asana to take note of my content ideas and write Instagram captions. And this is a bonus. I recently started using Notion for similar purposes, but I didn't want to move all of my content ideas from Asana to Notion, so I started using Notion when I began posting on YouTube. I write my YouTube content ideas there in the description of the videos. And the fifth one is Meta Business Suite. So this app schedules your Instagram and Facebook posts and stories so that they can be published automatically. To sum up, in this video we covered 5 apps that will simplify your work as a content creator. These apps are completely free, easy to use, and are available on desktop, mobile, and tablet, both Android and iOS. If you like this video, comment down below if you want me to talk in more depth about any of these apps, and subscribe to my channel. So, thank you for watching this video till the end. See you on the next. Ciao ciao!